artichoke, artichoke, artichoke,
artichoke, artichoke, artichoke,
beetroot, beetroot, beetroot,
beetroot, beetroot, beetroot,
bok choy, bok choy, bok choy,
bok choy, bok choy, bok choy,
Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts,
Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts,
chives, chives, chives,
chives, chives, chives,
collard greens, collard greens, collard greens,
collard greens, collard greens, collard greens,
daikon, daikon, daikon,
daikon, daikon, daikon,
endive, endive, endive,
endive, endive, endive,
fennel, fennel, fennel,
fennel, fennel, fennel,
radish, radish, radish,
radish, radish, radish,
ginger, ginger, ginger,
ginger, ginger, ginger,
kale, kale, kale,
kale, kale, kale,
leek, leek, leek,
leek, leek, leek,
okra, okra, okra,
okra, okra, okra,
artichoke, beetroot, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, chives, collard greens, daikon, endive, fennel, ginger, kale, leek, okra.
Love English? Love fun? Then hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new lesson.